Hello my friends and welcome back to the You Can Do TV channel. In Scotland's Galloway Forest, the John Deere 127 OG8 WD harvester takes on towering spruce and pine trees. With a powerful 200 kilowatts engine and a reach of up to 11.7 meters, it fells and processes logs up to 710 millimeters in diameter. Equipped with the H480C harvesting head, the machine efficiently delimbs and cuts timber with precision. Its 8-wheel drive ensures maximum traction on the forest's challenging terrain, while the rotating, smooth leveling cab provides the operator with 360 degrees visibility and comfort. The integrated intelligent boom control system enhances accuracy and productivity, making the 1270G a formidable tool in sustainable forestry operations. Watch as this advanced harvester maneuvers through dense woodland, demonstrating the synergy between technology and nature in modern logging practices. In Stuttgart, a new construction method has taken shape, promising to transform the future of housing. Instead of relying on bricks and cement, walls are built from solid timber blocks that interlock with precision, much like a puzzle. This innovative approach is showcased in the Proof of Concept 2020, where the Trik Brick modular system was tested in a pilot extension to a single-family home. This system offers a direct response to two critical challenges in construction: excessive carbon dioxide emissions and massive global waste generation. With standardized timber blocks that slot together without mortar or adhesives, assembly is rapid, error-free, and waste-free. Importantly, the system utilizes low-grade or damaged wood, upgrading it into structurally sound components through a patented three-dimensional jointing technique. Modular units are delivered on standard pallets, require no specialized equipment, and can be erected by any construction team. Flexible, recyclable, and reusable, Trik Brick enables buildings to be dismantled and reassembled with minimal environmental footprint, a clear step towards circular, climate-conscious architecture. In Frankfurt, a remarkable multi-story residential building is taking shape, offering 400 square meters of living space. What makes this project stand out is the rapid pace of construction. The structural shell is completed in just 5 days using the innovative Trik Brick solid timber building system. This micro-modular approach provides major advantages, particularly in construction logistics. The elements are prefabricated, waste-free, and can be stacked and positioned with precision, allowing for extremely fast and cost-efficient assembly. Instead of traditional mortar, the system relies on interlocking timber bricks, minimizing errors and significantly accelerating progress. Each floor spans about 120 square meters, with the project advancing nearly 2.5 stories per week, including roof installation. Beyond speed, sustainability is central. The structure uses ecological, renewable materials, stores large volumes of carbon dioxide, and can be disassembled for reuse in future projects. This approach represents true circular construction and a decisive step toward environmentally responsible urban housing. From the first light of dawn, the Scania R580 next generation comes to life, ready for a full day in the demanding world of timber hauling. Its 16.4-liter V8 engine, delivering 580 horsepower and immense torque, ensures powerful yet efficient performance, whether climbing steep forest tracks or cruising on highways. Just behind the cab, the hydraulic log loader crane unfolds like an iron arm. With joystick precision, the operator swings the telescopic boom across the stacks, the grapple snapping firmly onto heavy oak and pine logs. Each movement is smooth, controlled, and efficient, a dance of steel and hydraulics that turns backbreaking labor into effortless performance. The reinforced trailer swallows log after log, stacked neatly for transport. Meanwhile, the cab offers the driver unmatched comfort, digital displays, climate control, and ergonomic seating, making long hours feel lighter. By the end of the day, tons of timber are safely delivered from deep forest to sawmill. More than just a truck, the Scania R580, with its integrated crane, is a complete forestry solution, combining raw power, precision, and comfort in one machine. The Frontier OS-27 portable sawmill by Norwood is designed to bring professional-grade sawing performance directly to the field, offering flexibility and reliability for small-scale lumber production. Built with a rugged steel frame, the OS-27 handles logs up to 69 centimeters in diameter and 3.1 meters in length as standard, with the option to extend track length for larger projects. Its efficient 13.5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine provides dependable power, while the precision machined band blade ensures smooth, straight cuts across various wood types, from softwoods to dense hardwoods. Ease of use is central to the OS-27's design. The adjustable blade height allows for accurate control over lumber thickness, making it suitable for producing boards, planks, beams, and specialty cuts. Its modular track system is quick to assemble and extend, ensuring adaptability to different sawing tasks. Transportation is simplified thanks to the lightweight yet durable construction, allowing the sawmill to be moved and set up wherever timber needs to be processed. Practical, affordable, and efficient, the Frontier OS-27 represents an excellent choice for farmers, small contractors, or homestead operators seeking independence in producing high-quality lumber on demand. In this scene, a husband and wife team demonstrates the performance of the Wood-Mizer LT50 sawmill as it turns heavy black cherry logs into valuable lumber. The operation starts with the hydraulic log loader, which smoothly lifts logs of up to 90 centimeters in diameter onto the sawmill bed. Once secured with hydraulic clamps and log turners, the cutting head, powered by an engine up to 55 horsepower diesel or 38 horsepower petrol, moves precisely along the track. The LT50 handles logs up to 6.4 meters in standard length, with the option to extend capacity for longer timbers. Its accusate setwork system ensures consistent, repeatable cuts, while the thin kerf blade maximizes yield and reduces sawdust waste. A built-in debarker clears the path ahead of the blade, protecting its sharpness and maintaining cut quality. Each board is removed and stacked neatly, revealing the rich grain and deep reddish tones characteristic of black cherry. Throughout the process, the LT50 provides a balance of automation and operator control, allowing a small team to handle large-scale milling with professional results. The Wood-Mizer LT50 is truly a portable sawmill built for serious production. At Bienholz, efficiency meets precision in the processing of 1.2-meter short logs. The facility is powered by a Linck-equipped high-volume pallet stock sawmill, designed specifically to handle short-length timber, commonly referred to as 4-foot logs. This specialized setup allows for the rapid transformation of raw roundwood into standardized pallet components, ensuring maximum recovery and minimal waste. The production line begins with optimized in-feed systems that position each log for accurate processing. A chipper canter and profiler combination reduces the log to square cants in a single pass, while subsequent gang saw units convert them into boards of consistent dimension. Offcuts are efficiently handled and directed toward chip production, making the system both economical and resource conscious. High-speed conveyors and sorting systems streamline material flow, allowing the sawmill to process large volumes of short logs per shift. With precision cutting accuracy, the resulting pallet boards meet strict dimensional tolerances required for industrial use. By integrating Linck technology, Bienholz ensures reliability, quick saw changeovers, and optimized throughput. The result is a robust, high-performance sawmill operation tailored to the growing demand for pallet stock, turning compact logs into valuable, uniform products at industrial scale. The Spialter 34-ton kinetic log splitter is built to handle extreme wood splitting challenges. Unlike conventional hydraulic splitters, this machine relies on kinetic energy for unmatched speed and efficiency. Heavy oak logs of around 100 kilograms, complete with knots and deformations, are processed with ease. Its 34-ton splitting force delivers powerful performance, breaking tough timber in seconds and ensuring reliability for demanding firewood preparation. The world of precision and artistry, as this wood-turning project brings a segmented vase to life. Measuring 9 inches in diameter and 12 inches tall, the vase is a mosaic of 18 meticulously crafted rings, totaling 432 individual segments. Each piece, mahogany, maple, walnut, and cherry, is selected to create stunning contrasts in color and grain, turning a simple wooden vessel into a dynamic work of art. Segmented turning pushes the boundaries of skill, demanding absolute accuracy in alignment, gluing, and sanding. This project not only showcases craftsmanship, but also transforms raw wood into a striking centerpiece that celebrates both patience and creativity. The Eater hydraulic log splitter is a true powerhouse when handling heavy, dense wood. Its robust splitting jaws effortlessly tackle thick logs, saving time and effort. Pairing the splitter with a mini dumper creates a brilliant combination, streamlining both transport and processing. Designed for efficiency and reliability, the Etterspaltgerät ensures safe, precise, and consistent splitting, making it an essential tool for forestry and wood processing tasks. He Fimaxon FE 130 UHKD and Fi 120/HDGT, two high-performance solutions engineered for modern wood processing. The FE 130 UHKD handles logs up to 130 millimeters in diameter with a feed speed range of 25 to 60 meters per minute and hydraulic pressure up to 200 bars, delivering smooth, high-capacity operations. Reinforced cutting blades and a heavy-duty frame allow this model to process dense hardwoods efficiently, maintaining precision and productivity even under continuous workloads. The Fi 120/HDGT offers versatility for smaller or specialized tasks, accommodating logs up to 120 millimeters in diameter with feed speeds between 20 to 50 meters per minute. Powered by a high-torque 45 kilowatts motor, it ensures consistent cutting and splitting performance. Both machines feature advanced hydraulic-driven feed systems, adjustable cutting heights, and precision-engineered blades for clean, accurate results. Intuitive control panels allow operators to adjust feed rates, blade positioning, and cutting speed quickly, optimizing workflow. Safety and maintenance are priorities, with emergency stops, protective guarding, and easy access points for service. Both machines integrate seamlessly into production lines or operate independently, capable of handling varying log sizes, wood types, and operational demands. With reliability, performance, and operator-friendly design, the Fimaxon Fi 130 UHKD and Fe 120 HDGT deliver top-quality output, making them indispensable assets in modern wood processing, setting new standards in efficiency, precision, and durability. When it comes to eating through some of the hardest timber on the planet, Bandit chippers rise to the challenge. This machine, built to handle Australian hardwood, is engineered for maximum capacity and non-stop performance. Designed to be fed exclusively by mechanical loaders, it takes on massive logs with relentless efficiency. Under the hood, a powerful 275 horsepower Cummins turbo diesel delivers brute force, while Bandit's forestry discharge system ensures smooth, high-volume chip output. From twisted branches to rock-hard trunks, nothing slows it down. Precision engineering, unmatched durability, and raw power make this chipper a true workhorse in the toughest forestry environments. For operators demanding performance and reliability when processing unforgiving hardwood, Bandit proves once again why it's trusted worldwide, turning impossible jobs into effortless results. The Ponce HS15 harvester head is designed for demanding forestry operations, combining strength and reliability. It offers a maximum cutting diameter of 650 millimeters, a maximum delimbing diameter of 600 millimeters, and a powerful feed force of up to 30 kilonewtons. With an operating weight of approximately 1/800 kilograms, it is ideally suited for use on large harvesters handling heavy timber. The Kierpan CH32 log splitter stands as a benchmark for professional wood processing, combining power, precision, and durability. With a splitting force of 31 tons, it handles logs up to 1,000 millimeters in diameter and 1,260 millimeters in length, effortlessly tackling hardwood and oversized timber. Its robust hydraulic system, featuring a dual-group cast-iron pump and a 100-liter oil reservoir, ensures consistent performance throughout the workday. Equipped with a standard 2/4-way splitting wedge, the hydraulic lifting mechanism allows for smooth adjustment, optimizing log handling and workflow efficiency. The piston advances at 14 centimeters per second in low mode and 28 centimeters per second in high mode, retracting at 28 centimeters per second, delivering speed and precision for every split. The Krepan CH32 requires a minimum 35 kilowatts 48 HP tractor connection via 3-point linkage Type 2, compatible with most modern tractors. Its operational footprint measures 2,500 times 4,510 times 1,815 millimeters, while transport dimensions are 2,000 times 2,600 times 1,815 millimeters, making relocation and storage straightforward. Designed for heavy-duty performance, the Krepan CH32 ensures maximum productivity with minimal operator effort, making it an indispensable tool for forestry and professional firewood operations worldwide. The Porsche S415 multi-firewood processor is a stationary and efficient solution for high-volume firewood production. Designed with user-friendly operation in mind, it allows the operator to control the entire cutting and splitting cycle with a single joystick. Logs are fed onto the conveyor belt, where a Whittier circular saw blade precisely cuts them to adjustable lengths between 20 and 50 centimeters. After cutting, the log is automatically transferred to the splitting chamber. There, a powerful ram with 18 tons of splitting force pushes the wood through a hydraulically adjustable frame knife, producing clean and uniform firewood pieces. Robust construction, precise mechanics, and ergonomic controls make the S415 a reliable processor for professional firewood operations. The Porsche S415 Vario firewood processor is a high-performance machine engineered for professional firewood production. This model combines precision cutting with fully automated splitting to deliver consistent results. Operated via joystick control, the cutting unit handles logs up to 41 centimeters in diameter and 33 centimeters in length, using a 100 centimeter tungsten-tipped circular saw blade for fast and accurate cuts. Once sawn, the rounds are transferred seamlessly to the splitting unit, which automatically processes them into uniform firewood according to preset specifications. With adjustable output, the system produces logs ranging from 4 to 15 centimeters in edge width, ensuring efficiency and flexibility. The SAFX Cut Automatic is a precision-engineered cutting system built for industrial-scale production. Its robust frame and automated feeding system ensure smooth operation with minimal manual input. Designed for high reliability, it is ideal for processing steel plates, profiles, and other heavy-duty materials. The machine is powered by a 7.5 kilowatts main motor, delivering strong cutting performance with a cutting thickness capacity up to 50 millimeters and a maximum cutting width of 1,500 millimeters. Its servo-driven feeding system allows precise positioning within plus or minus 0.1 millimeters, while the variable cutting speed of 10 to 30 meters per minute adapts to different material types. A touchscreen PLC control panel enables operators to set parameters for automatic cutting cycles, reducing downtime and improving productivity. Safety features include overload protection, emergency stop controls, and protective guarding. Built for durability and efficiency, the SAFX Cut Automatic ensures consistent accuracy, high throughput, and cost-effective operation. The Nesto 5-axis Ultra CNC wood lathe machine represents a new generation of precision and versatility in automated wood turning. Designed for both efficiency and flexibility, this machine is equipped with a gouger unit, complemented by standard tooling that includes an oscillated sanding unit, a shaper debarker blade, a triangle blade, and a rounded blade for gouging. For enhanced performance, operators can opt for a detailed sanding unit or an automatic loading system, expanding the machine's production capabilities. At the core of the system is a powerful spindle motor, integrated with a 5-position tool-changing magazine. This allows seamless transitions between drilling, milling, and shaping operations without the need for manual intervention. The advanced sanding unit ensures that components emerge fully finished, reducing the need for secondary processing and significantly streamlining workflow. The 5-axis control enables highly complex geometries to be executed with accuracy, making it ideal for manufacturing furniture parts, decorative columns, balusters, and other intricate wood components. Once machining is complete, the finished workpiece is automatically ejected onto the conveyor, ensuring continuous and efficient operation. Engineered for speed, precision, and reliability, the Nesto 5-axis Ultra CNC wood lathe machine sets a benchmark in modern woodworking automation. The modern high-speed CNC wood lathe machine delivers precision and efficiency for mass wood production. Equipped with a Siemens control panel and 18,000 RPM Arel spindle motor, it handles both heavy and detailed work with ease. The round cutter ensures strong, rough turning, while the triangle blade provides fine detailing. A sanding unit gives smooth finishes directly on the machine. These functions make it particularly valuable for mass production of furniture parts, stair components, balusters, and decorative wooden items. The CNC wood lathe from Gone Metal has been fully upgraded for precision and efficiency. Equipped with a high-speed spindle motor and automatic tool changer, it handles turning, shaping, and drilling with minimal manual intervention. Standard features include sanding units, triangular and rounded blades for detailed work, and an optional automatic loading system. Designed for both rough and fine operations, this machine streamlines production while maintaining high-quality finishes, making it ideal for modern woodworking workshops seeking speed, versatility, and consistent results in every component. Step into the power and precision of the Blue Diamond Severe Duty Brush Cutter, showcased by Swift Fox Industries. Built for skid steers, this machine dominates dense brush, woody weeds, and small trees with ease. Featuring a reinforced cutting deck spanning 6 feet (1.8 m) and high-torque hydraulic motor delivering 120 horsepower equivalent, it spins precision rotary blades at 3,000 RPM, handling saplings up to 8 and 20 centimeters in diameter. Adjustable cutting height from 2 in to 12 in, 5 to 30 centimeters, ensures versatility across varied terrain. The skid steer mount guarantees exceptional maneuverability in tight areas, while heavy-duty protective guards and a dual reinforced frame provide durability and operator safety. Hydraulic flow requirements range from 25 to 35 GPM, 95 to 132 L per minute, with operating pressure up to 500 psi, 240 bars, ensuring consistent performance under load. Designed for contractors, landscapers, and forestry professionals, it maximizes throughput, minimizes downtime, and transforms overgrown land into manageable terrain. Swift Fox Industries demo proves why the Blue Diamond Severe Duty Brush Cutter is trusted for the toughest clearing tasks, delivering unmatched reliability, efficiency, and precision in every operation. Unchasks. In the Gebruder Hosenfeld sawmill, heavy logs roll steadily onto a production line equipped entirely with Linck technology. The process begins at the single chipper canter, where each trunk is stripped and prepared for profiling. What distinguishes this installation is the unique integration of a profiler, positioned close to the canter and activated on the second pass. This allows for precise shaping and dimensional accuracy while maximizing wood recovery. From the first pass, the sideboards are directed to an optimized edger supplied by EWD, where exact trimming ensures high-value board production. Each operation is synchronized, reducing waste and maintaining an efficient flow of material. At the core of the system, the double arbor gang saw demonstrates Linck's hallmark innovation, a rapid saw-minute change that enables cutting patterns to be adjusted in just minutes. This feature ensures minimal downtime while maintaining consistent output quality. Together, these components form a tightly integrated sawing line that transforms raw logs into finished timber with precision, speed, and efficiency. The Gebruder Hosenfeld facility stands as a demonstration of how advanced engineering and automation can redefine sawmill performance. Step inside the XL Furniture Factory, where traditional woodworking meets modern semi-automation to create high-quality, sustainable furniture. Raw materials are carefully selected and managed under strict ecological standards, ensuring that every piece of wood retains its natural properties and integrity. The production floor operates on a near-fully automated line, where cutting, turning, sanding, and painting are mostly handled by precision machinery. Skilled operators oversee each stage, making fine adjustments and ensuring quality control while the machines handle the repetitive and heavy tasks. This combination of automation and human supervision guarantees efficiency without compromising craftsmanship. Assembly is supported by mechanized handling systems, which allow for precise alignment and faster workflow, yet final adjustments and delicate fittings remain in the hands of experienced artisans. Once the furniture is fully assembled, it moves to the final inspection and packaging stage, where every item undergoes thorough checks before leaving the factory. By blending semi-automation with human expertise, XL Furniture achieves consistent quality, faster production, and reduced waste, while maintaining the artistry and attention to detail that define premium furniture. This approach demonstrates how technology can enhance traditional craftsmanship, producing furniture that is both sustainable and exceptional. The Trijeri's Cancio 3-claw carriage system is engineered for heavy-duty sawmilling operations where power, precision, and reliability are essential. Its 3 pneumatic claws provide exceptional grip on logs of various sizes, ensuring stability during cutting and minimizing log movement. This secure hold allows the saw unit to achieve precise cuts, with reduced vibration and consistent accuracy across the entire process. The carriage is designed with smooth, controlled movement, supporting optimal feeding speed for high-volume production. Integrated with dual cutting systems and large flywheels, it handles hardwood and oversized timber with ease, delivering clean cuts and maximizing material yield. Built with robust industrial-grade components, the system guarantees long service life, low maintenance requirements, and continuous operation under demanding conditions. Designed for professional sawmills, the Trijeri's Cancio 3-claw carriage combines advanced engineering with practical durability, making it a trusted solution for improving productivity, efficiency, and precision in modern wood processing facilities. The Trijeri's Cancio 2-claw pneumatic carriage with dual saw system and 1,400 mm flywheels is designed for precision and efficiency in sawmilling operations. Its pneumatic double-claw carriage ensures firm log grip and smooth handling, improving stability during cutting. The dual saw configuration, combined with large 1,400 mm flywheels, delivers high cutting power and accuracy, even on demanding timber. Built for durability, the system is ideal for continuous industrial use, offering a reliable solution for log breakdown and high-volume production while maintaining quality and precision across various wood species. A robust choice for modern sawmills. The Trijeri's Cancio inclined resaw is a specialized machine designed to maximize efficiency in secondary log breakdown and timber refinement. Its inclined configuration ensures smooth feeding of boards, reducing resistance, and improving operator control during cutting. Equipped with robust flywheels and precision-guided blades, the resaw delivers accurate, uniform cuts while minimizing wood waste. The sturdy construction guarantees reliability in continuous industrial use, handling both softwood and hardwood with consistent performance. Compact yet powerful, this machine is ideal for sawmills requiring high productivity, precision cutting, and long-term durability in timber processing operations. In Holstay, a new terraced house rises in just 1 week, showcasing the innovative Systember solid wood interlocking system. This construction method replaces traditional masonry with tailor-cut timber beams, delivered directly to the site and ready for rapid assembly. Each beam is positioned vertically and joined with precision-engineered Systember spacers, ensuring structural strength while allowing natural wood movement. Hidden anchors secure the beams firmly to the floor, while EPDM strips guarantee airtight sealing between elements. The modular system easily integrates walls, floors, and roofs, with Sherpa connectors used to attach laminated beams for added stability. Panels can be assembled directly on-site or prefabricated in the workshop. offering flexibility for different project scales. Windows are fastened directly into the wooden structure, while roofing, insulation, and exterior finishes follow seamlessly after the frame is complete. The result is a cost-effective, sustainable, and efficient building process that leaves minimal waste. The Systember system demonstrates how modern timber technology can redefine urban housing, providing speed, precision, and ecological benefits, all while maintaining the warmth and resilience of solid wood. The Twin Contour, a tiny house concept built with the innovative Systember wood interlocking construction system, demonstrates how modern living spaces can be created quickly, sustainably, and with architectural freedom. Unlike traditional building methods, Systember relies on vertically placed solid wood beams that are precisely milled and interconnected with patented spacers. These spacers not only guarantee structural stability but also provide ventilation space, allowing the natural movement of the wood without compromising airtightness. For assembly, beams are fixed to the foundation with hidden anchors, while EPDM sealing ensures optimal energy efficiency. Floors, walls, and roofs are seamlessly integrated, and laminated beams are connected using Sherpa connectors for additional strength. The system allows windows and doors to be mounted directly into the timber structure, reducing complexity and installation time. This construction method combines speed with adaptability. A twin contour or tiny house can be erected within days, requiring no specialized labor and leaving minimal waste behind. The use of sustainable wood makes it a climate-friendly solution, while its modularity allows for disassembly and relocation if needed. As a result, the Systember system provides an eco-conscious, durable, and versatile approach to small-scale housing and modern workspace design. The RT630 disc chipper is built for strength and efficiency, powered by a compact tractor with high torque output. It handles logs and branches up to 12 to 15 centimeters in diameter, feeding them smoothly into a heavy-duty steel disc. The chipping blades produce uniform wood chips, suitable for heating, composting, or mulching. With a throughput capacity of around 6 to 8 cubic meters per hour, the RT630 combines durability with productivity. Despite its compact frame, it offers reliable performance, easy maintenance, and outstanding efficiency in daily wood processing tasks. At Woodland 2019, engineered plywood panels were presented as a modern and versatile material for both construction and furniture applications. These panels are manufactured by layering thin sheets of wood veneer, arranged with alternating grain directions, then bonded together under high pressure and temperature. This cross-laminated structure gives plywood its outstanding strength, dimensional stability, and resistance to warping compared to solid wood. Highlighted a wide range of thicknesses and grades, suitable for everything from formwork and flooring to wall panels, ceilings, and decorative finishes. High-quality adhesives provide durability and moisture resistance, making the panels reliable even in challenging environments. Beyond functionality, surface treatments allow plywood to achieve smooth finishes or natural wood aesthetics, enhancing design flexibility. As an eco-efficient material, plywood maximizes timber usage while reducing waste, aligning with sustainable building practices and the growing demand for renewable resources in modern construction. After a powerful storm, fallen trees block roads, damage property, and threaten safety. In such moments, heavy-duty wood chippers like the Vermeer WC2300 prove indispensable. Powered by a robust engine delivering more than 600 horsepower, it can process whole trees and large logs with efficiency. Featuring a large in-feed system and smart feed control, it reduces operator effort while maximizing throughput. Its chip quality makes it suitable for biomass, energy production, and large-scale storm cleanup operations. On challenging terrain, the Narva 25 rupee stroke harvester pairs seamlessly with the Fiat 82-94 tractor, creating a compact yet powerful tree harvesting system. The 25 rupees requires no additional hydraulics or electricity, operating entirely via the tractor's existing hydraulic flow. Its strong guillotine cutting unit handles logs up to 25 centimeters in diameter, while the stroke feeding system moves timber in precise 50 centimeters pulses. All functions from gripping and delimbing to cutting are controlled through a single grapple open/close valve, simplifying operation while maximizing efficiency. The head rotates freely, allowing flexible positioning, and splitting wedges can be mounted easily for firewood production. Adjustable limiting rods let operators set log lengths from 25 to 50 centimeters with minimal effort. Designed for tractors and small excavators, the 25 rupees ensures safe, efficient, and high-speed harvesting. Combining human skill with clever hydraulics, this system turns tree processing into a precise, reliable, and fully controllable workflow, delivering consistent performance across varied forestry conditions. Hybridization in coconut palms blends science with nature. Carefully controlled techniques ensure every new tree inherits the best traits, resulting in fast-growing, high-yield palms that change the landscape of tropical agriculture. By crossing a short palm with a carefully selected tall parent, the resulting hybrid inherits optimal traits from both. The process begins with emasculation, where male flowers are manually removed from unopened female inflorescences. Each plant is monitored for 3 weeks until female buttons mature. Pollen from the chosen tall palm is collected, processed in the lab, and applied precisely with a brush to each mature female button. Approximately 20% of pollinated buttons remain, with 90% developing into hybrid seed nuts. These coconuts are assessed for proper moisture content before planting in nursery beds. Germination starts within a month, and seedlings sprout within 6 months. By this stage, the young palms reach about 2.5 feet tall, ready for distribution to farmers seeking reliable, high-performance hybrid coconut palms. From root to crown, the coconut tree gives us endless possibilities. In Bến Tre, Vietnam's coconut capital, over 600 million nuts are harvested each year, forming the heart of Cocoa Goods Co.'s journey from tree to table. Here, organic plantations are cultivated under EU standards, nourished only with organic microorganism fertilizers, natural pest control, and free from chemicals or genetically modified seedlings. Each coconut begins in the preliminary processing area, then follows specialized production lines. Tetra Pak technology preserves coconut water and creamer, while UHT systems ensure fresh coconut milk. Premium virgin oil, refined oil, and toasted coconut chips are produced with care, alongside other extensions. In the company's ISO laboratory, strict testing guarantees safety, purity, and global quality. One tree, countless products. The coconut is truly a gift of life. Coconut harvesting around the world showcases incredible ingenuity. In Sri Lanka, coconut palms are climbed using coir ropes and husks tied securely to the trunk. This traditional method provides grip and stability, allowing harvesters to scale tall palms safely. It exemplifies resourceful, low-tech ingenuity in challenging conditions, combining local materials with human skill for efficient coconut harvesting. In Indonesia, coconut palms are climbed using a simple fabric rope wrapped around the trunk. This traditional technique allows harvesters to ascend safely and efficiently, relying solely on human strength and skill. It demonstrates resourcefulness and local ingenuity, enabling coconut collection in areas where modern equipment is impractical. In Côte d'Ivoire, coconut harvesters often rely on aluminium triple ladders to reach towering palms. Lightweight yet strong, these ladders provide stability on uneven ground while minimizing strain during repeated climbs. Their extendable design ensures safe access to the crown, offering a practical balance between efficiency, portability, and durability in daily harvesting operations. In Fiji, coconut harvesters scale tall palms using foot spikes fitted with nails, digging securely into the trunk. This method provides unmatched grip and stability on smooth, challenging surfaces. Skilled climbers combine balance, strength, and precision, turning each ascent into a controlled, efficient process. From base to crown, this traditional technique demonstrates ingenuity, durability, and human adaptability in daily coconut harvesting. The coconut industry creates diverse job opportunities, from farming and harvesting to processing and product innovation. Workers engage in coconut oil, coir, charcoal, and handicraft production, supporting sustainable livelihoods and boosting rural economies worldwide. People in Brazil, coconut harvesters use a two-rope system to scale towering palms. One rope supports the climber's weight, while the other stabilizes and guides movement, allowing precise control during ascent and descent. This traditional technique combines safety, efficiency, and skill, showcasing local ingenuity and adaptability in harvesting coconuts from challenging, smooth-barked trees. Fertilizing coconut trees is essential for healthy growth and higher yield. Coconut trees are heavy feeders and need fertilization every 3 months. Using New Leaf Organic Multi-Purpose Fertilizer, rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and micronutrients, start by loosening the topsoil around the tree. Create a circular ring 2 to 3 feet from the trunk and apply 5 kilograms of fertilizer evenly. Cover with soil, water thoroughly, and keep the area moist. This slow-release, biotech-grade fertilizer improves soil pH and boosts tree health, with visible results in 2 to 3 months.